Okay, my name is Kado. It's been good so far, even though when I started, to be honest, it was not easy. Like everything seemed very difficult, but so far I'm enjoying it. Like it's a very good thing. I'm glad, I'm super happy, and I like my teacher. Lawson is a cool person. He's someone that when I talk to, please help me do this, like he helped me. Like I just feel at home. I'm not being pressured. Like he doesn't pressure me like you must do that kind of a thing, but he's just very calm. Like I come back to him, I call you, even sometimes I call him at home. He help, and then I say like, please, I'm finding difficulty in doing something. He puts me through. Why not? I do know how I showcase the guys in the office too. Yes, I'm